Mheshimiwa Julius Ogamba nigarura OGOKURA OGOTINDI gochiasa abarimu abanene bechi skuru maminja noko basaba Abaibori Chibesa chietanitie kerengo chiria serikali ebegete asatebire serikali gwetera ase ewizara echisemi yabotukire Chibesa chisaine gochiasa chiskuru echibante gokonya Abaorokia nabo iga Abaorokiwa nababwatani ase chiskuru kogenderia mirimo yabo yabotamba asatebire onde bwensi urache kubwateranigwa negetambo kerekio yokobamentera Abaibori Chibesa nigarache kwemekeriwa getambo keregetindi kerichiko.
Extra levies and additional fees constitute an unlawful barrier to education and access. Basic education in Kenya, as you know, is free and compulsory. Boarding fees may be levied only in line with the circulars issued by the Ministry of Education unless otherwise authorized by that same ministry. And that authorization, as you well know, must be in writing. Therefore, let us all work together to promote access and equity in our education system by abiding by the requirements of the law and our policies.